Yeah, hot zone, hot zone, hot zone, hot zone. Yeah. Lately I've been told that I keep it too real. For one, it ain't no such thing when your last name too trill. Niggas talk like bitches, since when did I have like 2 deals? Don't report none of that BS. I had a few deals. I'm talking about them offers. I be hot, I'm the Black Mamba, feeling like I just was Kobe, calling shots like I'm Obama, blow it up like I'm Osama. I'm not with the drama. If I do, I pull up on the scene, roll the window down. I got the llama. It been Reaper, just might pull up all up on your scene. These niggas, they faking. These niggas ain't everything they seem. See, I might just kill them off and skate the case like Charlie Sheen. I'm ballin' like I'm Kobe in the 90s, feeling like Kareem. See, I ain't sticking to the strip. I guess I will freestyle. I had to kill it. These niggas, they biting, copying my style. They ain't even flowing like me. Don't care that they dislike me. Run up on me, I'm boxing, nigga. You don't really wanna fight me. Your main chick wanna come and kick it with a young nigga like Tai Chi. She sucking and she be licking on me. Told the little thought don't bite me. Got guns on me, so I don't advise your little lame as to try me. Got all the guns on me, nigga. What you talking about? You ain't like me. Feeling like I'm Terminator, feeling like I'm Rambo. They be watching me like I was the education channel. You can't learn from me, so why you copying the animal? I'm jumping from the mountain of success just like Geronimo. Hot zone, little nigga. I said hot zone, little nigga. I got the beam on your forehead, drop down, little nigga. Give up the bands, give up the bands. Tell me where your plug located. I'm the real nigga, I'm the young nigga that these old niggas love to hate. Gang in it, bitch, though. Spent the night in the trench, though. Fire flames and that dragon piss that a young nigga gon' spit, though. It's a war that I enlist in. Spent the night in them trenches. If a nigga diss me on my mama, on the gang, nigga, he missing. Hot zone. Rico Rutier, work hard, dream big. Let's get it. Hot zone. Gang. 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 Snitches deserve to be locked up too, nigga. For real, for real.